growing up in small-town suburbia, I had the privilege of enjoying my childhood experience playing in nature. I remember exploring the woods down by the creeks, climbing to the top of trees, and not being afraid of bugs and wild animals. Soon after, the world robbed me of my connection to nature and programmed me to fear it and stay away. For the next 20 years, I chose indoor over outdoor in big cities with little access to pristine nature and cared very little about the condition of the planet. Part of my spiritual awakening was a loud call from Mother Nature that she was dying, and worse, that my bad habits and lack of connection was helping contribute to that. It was then that I realized that I could no longer turn a blind eye to my ignorance and destructive habits. I jumped into action to learn what I could do to help. That started with the basics of recycling and composting, and eventually graduated into more zero-waste practices. But RV life is what really gave me access to reconnect back to nature and giving me a unique feeling of freedom.
The first time in years, got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Well, let's be on the horizon. Let's go find out. Feeling free. Free to live my
I'm so grateful to my Purple Palace for transporting me into the forests, deserts, mountains, lakes, and beaches to explore. I discovered the beach is my happy place, but it was the in the middle of nowhere stargazing for me that brought me back to the joy and peace of Mother Nature. I am now a nature hike lover, feet on the ground connoisseur, glamping off-gritter, zero waste advocate, tree hugging, bug releasing, leaving snacks for the wild animals, amateur forager, primitive warrior, thrifting diva, holistic healer, natural product entrepreneur, former houseplant mom, future food forest fairy, kayaking every chance I see water, let's go on a wild adventure type of queen. Thank you, Mother Nature, for bringing me back to me, showing me the freedom of life I never knew, giving my inner child joy and peace she once knew, and connecting me to a purpose greater than myself. If I do nothing else, I will spend the rest of my time on this planet to protect you and show you the love and gratitude you deserve for all the love and memories you have given me thus far. Peace and blessings. Queen Tasha. P.S. Mosquitoes can kick rocks. I'm out.